In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Cloudflare Proxy from your Shopify store. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard using your credentials at shopify.com. So if you haven't yet created an account, just simply input your email in here. And then now, we'll head over to the admin dashboard. So in here, if you have already a Shopify account, just simply click on it and it should be redirect you to your Shopify admin dashboard. But in this case, I haven't yet purchased a plan in Shopify. So assumingly we are on your Shopify admin dashboard. So once logged in, click online store in the left sidebar. This will expand the menu and you'll select domains. And for the step 3, on the domains page, you'll see a list of your domain names. Locate the domain connected to Cloudflare and then click on it to manage settings. Now, to remove the Cloudflare proxy, just follow these steps. Log in on to the Cloudflare at cloudflare.com with your account. So as you can see in here, and then in Cloudflare, select the domain you want to remove the proxy from, and then navigate to the DNS setting section. Look for the orange cloud icon next to your DNS records, and that indicates that the Cloudflare proxy is enabled. And then click on the orange cloud icon, turning it to gray. This will disable Cloudflare proxy, making your connection direct without the proxy. So after disabling the Cloudflare proxy, return to your Shopify domains page and ensure that the settings are updated. It may take a few minutes for the changes to take effect. So although I can't show you directly due to its restrictions, but I hope it helps, and that's how you remove the Cloudflare proxy from Shopify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.